Hi everyone! Welcome to Gingerbread Day. So today's a big day. And we're gonna make a gingerbread house. So we have our design right here. We're going to make a postmodern gingerbread house because Tess does architecture and so we're really cool at making houses. Say hi, Bruna.
Oh yeah, hi!
So I made the dough last night. Here's one of our mounds of dough and we have one more. And so we are going to start cutting it out. We already have all of our measurements that we're gonna need. We're gonna bake them, we're gonna put it together. It's probably gonna take hours and hours, but it's gonna look amazing in the end.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. Okay, so those are too close together.
What?
We'll need to move them
They're not
apart.
cut.
The middle?
No, it's not cut at all.
Oh.
I just scored it.
I feel like we... The first cookies are out of the oven. So here we have two 9x5s. These are two of the bases. So we decided we're going to actually be doing a double layer house. And now we're cutting out two of our triangles and our last 4x4, and that's all of our pieces for the house. And then we're going to make our people and whatever other little decorations we want. And we have a little bit more in there still. And I just want to eat them all because they smell so good, but we can't. We'll wait and we'll eat some extras, right? Yeah.
Large. Yes, that's large.
Okay, so now we have all of our house pieces cut out, and now we're gonna make some people. This is my person. It's very bad and too skinny.
Oh, here we go.
We need fatties to be in our house.
Interesting.
And so now Tess is trying some things. This is a 1/4 teaspoon measurement.
Okay.
And now she's gonna cut out a person. She's the artistic one here, not me.
Actually, you know what?
What?
Okay. Watch and learn, Becca.
Okay.
All right.
I was saying that we should make stick people out of pretzels, but that idea was not appreciated. Is that a dress?
Yeah.
That's sexist. Just kidding.
Is it? Becca, I'm pretty sure I've seen you in a dress multiple times.
I would never do that.
I think on average, more girls wear dresses than boys. Just to be
That's true, but I think we should just call them its.
But that, I'm not gonna say.
I'm kidding. Okay, so we had some extra, and I have to show you this. So I have this cookie cutter, and it's of my face. Personally made for me. And so we're gonna make a couple extra cookies that are Becca, my favorite. Then everyone can eat my face. We're making the icing. So the last cookies are in the oven. We have all of our shapes here. So these are gonna be our people. We have like the bodies and the heads. And then this is our little dog. And then we're making the icing.
It's
Which
thick.
is, that's good that's thick, because this is
With
going to be our
8
glue.
hues.
It's going to be, so this is literally just a little bit of, not a little bit, a lot of confectionery sugar, a little bit of light corn syrup, and a little bit of rice milk. And so then we're going to put this into a bag, and then we'll pipe it out and glue together all of our pieces. So first we need to glue these, glue one of them to the base.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do this one. You're gonna have to flip it over. Okay. This always happens.
It's
Sit
not.
down.
Where? How?
Whichever way you want. Yeah, that's good.
My favorite mug.
The mug's gonna be like sitting in the icing.
That's fine. Are you gonna put it right on there? No, in the inside.
Okay, so we have our base here. We have all 4 sides. The top is not glued on, even though it looks like it is. And now Tess is trimming some of these sides because it's what's going to be on our next level. So hopefully that will work because they expanded in weird ways and it needs to be flatter. Yeah. Woo! Okay, so what we decided to do is we are going to be putting Twizzlers in the corners here and then lining the bottom with chocolate chips all around. So that is our first step of decorating. Ta-da! We are making progress here. So we're lining chocolate chips on the top part also. Now Tessa's doing a nice rainbow dot fence. You have to just make sure that the people will still fit between there.
Probably not.
Yeah. And yeah, I think we're doing a fabulous job.
I agree.
So here is our finished product. So this is our roof. Spent a lot of time on that. Some little wreaths down there. This is just the back. Got some drippy snow action here. And back to the front. I think it's cute. My favorite is the little puppy. And yes, that was our gingerbread house. How'd it go, Tess?
I'm tired.
Yeah, it took a really long time. Like literally all day. But I'm proud of it. I hope you enjoyed watching us make this gingerbread house. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.